Welcome. IYEJI is here again. So, guys, I brought you good news. Today, I'll be going back to Lusada Market. You know the good thing? Rain is not falling today. So, let us go and see how Lusada looks like on a normal day without rainfall.
If you use it, you will thank God to see this medicine back.
So guys, this is the entrance of the market. We just entered the market now. So now follow us, let us go inside the market so that you will see how everywhere looks like on a dry day. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.
About sunflower seed, and you will know what sunflower seed works for. Sunflower seed, it works for any kind of sickness in the body, for your BP, for your sugar level,
Don't forget that I am still your boy, IYEJI. That guy who lost his father, his business, and everything he has built, and now he is starting afresh. Lusada is one of the markets where I hustle on a daily basis for my comeback. So guys, follow me and watch how I grow from scratch again. Let's go. Okay. How much you selling? Give me another, let me see.
Desktop, power, memory card, power, time seconds, power, foodstuffs king power, desktop, power, memory card, power, time seconds,
So the sun was much on me, guys. I decided to end the video here. So guys, let us stop here. By next market, we continue from where we stopped. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do wait to subscribe on my channel and turn on your notification bell.